Welcome to this lesson on mean deviation, an important concept in statistics that helps us understand the spread or dispersion of data. Mean deviation, also called the average absolute deviation, measures how far, on average, each data value is from the mean of the data set. Unlike variance or standard deviation, the mean deviation uses absolute values to avoid negative differences, canceling out positive ones. Let's understand this concept using a simple example. Consider the following data set: 2, 4, 7, 8, and 9. First, we calculate the mean of this data set, adding all the values and dividing by the number of values. 2 plus 4 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 divided by 5 is equal to 30 divided by 5 is equal to 6. Now, let's calculate each data point's deviation from the mean. The deviations are 4, 2, 2 minus 6 equals negative 4. 4, 4, 4 minus 6 equals negative 2. 4, 7, 7 minus 6 equals positive 1. 4, 8, 8 minus 6 equals positive 2. And for 9, 9 minus 6 equals positive 3. Now, for the mean deviation, we need to take the absolute values of these deviations, which means we ignore the negative signs. So, the absolute deviations are 4, 2, absolute value of negative 4 equals 4. 4, 4, absolute value of negative 2 equals 2. 4, 7, absolute value of 1 equals 1. 4, 8, absolute value of 2 equals 2. And for 9, absolute value of 3 equals 3. Finally, to calculate the mean deviation, we take the average of these absolute deviations. Mean deviation equals 4 plus 2 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 divided by 5, which equals 12 divided by 5, which equals 2.4. So the mean deviation of our data set is 2.4. Let's visualize what this mean deviation of 2.4 represents. Imagine if all data points were exactly 2.4 units away from the mean. The spread would be the same as our original data. This is what makes mean deviation useful. It gives us a single value that represents the typical distance of data points from the mean. Let's compare mean deviation with other measures of dispersion. Standard deviation also measures dispersion, but it squares the deviations before averaging, which gives more weight to extreme values. Mean deviation is more straightforward and may be easier to understand, but standard deviation is more commonly used in statistical analysis because of its mathematical properties. Let's look at a real-world application of mean deviation. Imagine a teacher wants to understand the spread of test scores in their class. If the mean score is 75 and the mean deviation is 7, it means that, on average, students' scores differ from the mean by 7 points. This gives the teacher a clear picture of the class performance variability. To summarize, mean deviation is a measure of dispersion that tells us the average distance of each data point from the mean. It uses absolute values to ensure all deviations contribute positively to the final measure. Mean deviation provides an intuitive way to understand how spread out our data is, making it a valuable tool in data analysis and statistics.